Hello there, Brandon Moore here, your #1 career explorer. It's my job to help you think about what you want to do with your future. Have you given much thought to what you want to be when you grow up? If not, no need to stress about it. The most important thing for you to do right now is find out what you're good at, what kinds of things you really enjoy doing, and I'll show you some of the ways to do these things and make a living doing them. Do you like to build things or fix things? I do, but obviously I'm not very good at it yet. If you enjoy making stuff, maybe you would like to work in manufacturing. Did you know that Morristown and Hamlin County have nearly 100 advanced manufacturers? These manufacturers make so many of the things that we literally use every day. We don't actually make the Toyota vehicle or the candy bar, but we actually make several of the parts that make the car go, and the plastic that wraps the candy bar so it stays fresh and clean. Well, is that clear? Let's ask some future manufacturers what manufacturing is. What the heck is a manufacturer anyway?
I don't really know.
I have no clue.
Oh, that's okay. I'm still learning too. If you owned an advanced manufacturing company, what would you manufacture?
I would make Legos. Race cars. I would be making a saddle pads with bridle and halters.
Probably to make houses for people that don't have houses.
Teddy bears.
Candy.
Sounds like my kind of factory. There's so many things we need in order to live our lives, and we will always need people to make those things. Everything from planes, trains, and automobiles to toothpaste, toothbrushes, and even caramel apples. All these things are made right here in Morristown. So how cool is it to be a manufacturer? Well, let's ask one. Tell me, what do you guys manufacture here?
Well, our end product actually looks like nerds. Plastic, so don't eat them. But let me tell you a little secret. I bet you use one of our products today. Actually, there are millions of people every day that use our products, they just don't realize it. So what we do is we take plastic in its normal state, and our clients, they call whether they want it to have a special color added to it, or if they need it to have sunscreen in it for the product to be used outside. So what we do is we take that plastic and we take whatever additive they need, mix it together and put it in our machines. And that's where we get the nerd looking things.
So you don't make the milk jug, but you make the color for the jug.
Our clients then take it, they put it in their machines, and that's where they get the end product, whether it be a milk jug, a container, a lawn chair, glasses, you name it. Think of all the plastic things.
What would you say to a kid who's thinking about getting into manufacturing as a career pathway?
So for my math people, we have accounting, we have supply chain. For my people who love science, we have our engineering, we have our chemists. For my people who love to fix things, we have maintenance. For those people person who love to get around, talk to people, we have human resources, marketing, customer service. And for those ones that like that, get a great deal, we got purchasers.
So if we didn't have manufacturers, I guess we wouldn't have as many jobs or the things they make.
Without manufacturing, life would be so boring. Could you imagine? We wouldn't have near as many games. We wouldn't have near as many places to go. I mean, you think about that Dollywood. Or when we go get some food, the takeout containers, our cars, our toys. And I also want to say that the jobs are so important. So for the dads, the moms, the grandmas, the aunts, the grandfathers that want to take their family to enjoy those amusement parks or go out to eat, the jobs provide the money to be able to do that.
So don't be worrying about being a grown-up right now. Just keep discovering new things in the world all around you. And if you enjoy making things, learn everything you can about it. Who knows? Maybe one day you could manufacture the next great thing.